Here's some tips and tricks to the 5 different slot tools in the sketch environment in Inventor. First, there's the center to center slot tool, and as you hover over it, it teaches you how to use the tool. First, we'll specify the first center point. Then we can enter in the distance and specify the second center point. Then we can enter in the diameter of the slot. For the next slot tool, we're not specifying the center points, however we are specifying the end points of the slot. And then we can also specify the diameter of the slot as well. For the third slot tool, we'll specify the center of the slot, and then we'll specify the center of the arc as well. And then lastly, let's specify the diameter of it. Then we'll use the arc slot tool, which allows us to specify the first center point, the angle in which we are creating the slot, the distance between the two slots, the radius of the arc, and the diameter of the slot. And lastly, we have the center point arc, which allows us to specify the center of the arc slot, the radius of the arc slot, the degree in which the arc slot starts, the degree in which the arc slot ends, and then lastly the diameter of the arc slot. If you want to create a slot along a spline, you can actually use the offset tool, and we won't be using a slot tool at all. We'll be offsetting this line, and then we'll be using the tangent arc tool to create a tangent half circle at the ends of each spline. Now we have an evenly distributed slot along a spline. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.